What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building with a new review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the YEEZY Boost 350 V2. Let's get into it. First, you got your regular 350 box. You got your YEEZY Boost 350 on the side, and it says the colorway is MXO, MXO, MXO. I wear size 6.5 in Yeezys, which I also always go a half a size up. So usually I usually wear a 6 in men, but in Yeezys I wear a 6.5. Go to half a size up, fits perfectly. You got your regular brown box. You got your boost right here on the side. Let's get to this. Oh, all right. Pull these out. Okay. Boost 350. MXO. Let's get it. All right, let's start off with this right here. First, you got your orange, your blue, and your yellow with this Primeknit material. Get that close up for you so you can see it. You got your translucent little line going across right here, which also has a little blue and a little orange in it. You got your cream, well, not cream. You got your oat translucent bottom. You got your boost on the bottom with the white thing. Let you know you got your boost. You got your tag on the back that everybody likes with the 350s. Inside of the shoe, you got Adidas boost. And they got Yeezy on the inside. You got your cream shoelaces. They got some kind of different material going on around the lace. It's like a cage knit like type material. I don't know, it's different. It makes them feel a little different and a little shiny, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that really good, but anyway, you got your brown, not brown, your orange, yellow, and blue going around the shoe, which is very nice. I see why everybody call it, some people say it look like a Coogee, an old school Coogee shirt. I can agree with them, because them Coogee shirts did used to look like this with all these different colors, but these colors all mesh together well. It's a nice, it brings the shoe out and makes it looks real different. See, they got a little hook on the top with the orange. This is very nice fall colorway. It's a little darker than the last 350 lights that came out. I know it looked like they similar by just looking at them, but these are a little darker than the lights. Matter of fact, let me pull out the lights. I got the lights. And let's compare. Even though it ain't about the lights, let's just compare to see so I can show y'all the difference in the colors. See, the lights are a little lighter. Perfect for the, summertime. But these right here, they darkened the tone up some and made it perfect for the fall weather, which is nice. It goes back to the side, but yeah, this is a very nice shoe. 350 Boost V2. I like them. Very nice shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comment below which ones y'all like the best out of these are the lights that came out. I like these though. I like the material on these the best. Even though it'd be kind of hard to find stuff to wear with these, because more than the lights, they was just a solid colorway. This one got all these different colors in it, but these are some nice colors, so you can find something. It shouldn't be too hard, but it's different. But I like it. I like different. So hey, these are some nice shoes. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them. If I haven't said, please like and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think about these new Yeezys. What they call the Coogee sweater, or some people even call them the birthday cake. But yeah, I like these. This is a nice shoe. Very nice pickup. If you haven't picked up any 350 V2s that are late, this is a good colorway to go and pick up. They retail for $220. They came out today, which is October the 23rd. And yeah, I don't know if they still out there or not by the time y'all see my video, but this was a nice shoe. So y'all, hey, let me know down in the comment below what y'all think about it. And I know y'all seen those 380s that came out the other day also, so I'm gonna drop that review out later on also. But meanwhile, let me know what y'all think about these. YEEZY 350 MXO. But as always, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. Peace.